This is the seating template designed in Excel specially for the schools. This is the home page, and here is the admin corner, and here is the print corner. So before using this template, the admin should fill all the details which are under the admin corner. First is the name list, and next is the subjects, and next is the hall design. Let's see one by one. First is the name list. When you click on the name list, it goes to this page, and in this page you have space specially designed for each sessions. For 6th standard A, you have to enter the name here and their hall ticket number or roll number, anything it may be. Now I am entering as a rough. This is for demo purpose. I am entering using the series A, B, C, so on. And the important thing is you need not to enter the serial number. It updates on your own when you put the entry in the name and the roll number side. I'm moving to the home page, and next going to enter the subject. Here is the option for entering 15 subjects. You can enter the name of the subject for all the classes. Moving to the home page again, your hall design. In this place you are going to enter the name of the classes. So how many classes? Here there are 17. Each class, even though it's a 6th standard and they have sessions, it is entered separately. And here is the hall number. You can enter the hall numbers here and the capacity here. It is a 40 capacity, and totally we are going totally 15 halls are in use and remaining halls are hidden, so you cannot edit anything here. If you try to edit anything, it will show the alert. If you want to increase the hall count, you can contact at 94983999487. Now all the initial process are over. Now anybody can go to the print corner. Before going to the print corner, they have to go to the theory seating, exam seating, enter your details here, enter the school name, enter the particular of your exam. It may be half yearly or annual, anything it can be, and you enter the date. Without entering the date, nothing will work. So date is very important. Only when you enter the date, everything gets activated. And session option is available in the seating page. You can enter it forenoon or afternoon, then 6 a what is the subject? Select from the drop down menu. Now for example, I'm entering different subjects for the first three: social, Telugu, and Hindi. I have taken the first five subjects. For them only I have entered the names. Therefore I am giving them the different names. Now click next. Here you can find, this is the place. Here is the option to select the hull numbers. This is a seating page. When you scroll down, you have the option of selecting the hull numbers 2, 3, 4, like that. If you want to skip the second hall, you can select here directly third and then go on. Here it displays the remaining students, and here displays the total students. For 6th A there were totally 20 students. I am going to allocate 5 of them in this class. And for 6B there are 30 students. See, now after entering 5 it shows there are remaining 15 students. As you keep entering the details here the total also gets updated, and also it shows this box, it shows the available empty seats in this particular hall. See, it is displaying the total empty seats available. And now I'm entering it for the next hall. I'm allocating 5 of them. See, it is updated 10, and here the hall capacity is 40. Now 30 seats are available. Again I am entering 5, again 5 and 5. Totally 25 seats are filled in this class, and remaining seats are 15. If you have any additional classes 7B, 7C, 8A like that, you can just update the enter the student number of students in this place. And the seating page, it displays the roll number of the students at the top and their name beneath it. Like this you can do for the second hall. Totally 25 are filled and still 15 seats are available. And when you scroll to this, you can find the names are being printed and with their roll number here. I'm going to do it for the third hall. Same thing. AA11. So that means AA10 has been completed in the before hall, and here it starts from AA11. I'm moving to the next hall, hall number 4, 5. When you enter 5, remaining students are 0. Then you need not enter the students for 6th A in the next halls. Yes, it has been updated here. And now I'm going to the next hall. Over. So I'm allocating all the students here. It is 20 and here 10. Now there is no remaining students, all students being placed. How to print this? Each hall this is the one which is requested for one school, and the design is like that. You can change it to any design you like. If you contact through the number which is given in the home page, you can contact through that number. And also in this page, how to print this, you can press select print from the options, or you can press command P or control P. The print option comes, you can save it as PDF, or you can print it directly if your printer is connected. Now I'm showing you the preview of this printout, how it looks. This is how it looks. If you want to add any extra options like signature of the hall superintendent or signature of the chief superintendent or the signature of the principal or teacher, anything, you can add that option. You are not allocated the edit option, you can contact me. I will just open it because the edit option is not given to the users, because if any changes are made wrongly, it will affect the performance of the whole sheet. Going to the next page, I'm pressing the arrow. This is the second page, third page, fourth page, fifth. Only we have allocated till fifth, and all the students are filled till fifth. You can print, you can give a print option, or you can go back. Moving to the home page again, you have the other options in the print corner like seating arrangement. That's what we have seen now. And next we have always question paper count. It is locked for editing. If you want it to enable it, then you can contact me through the WhatsApp or email. And there is also overall seating that it shows it is also been locked, nothing been edited. If you want it, you can contact through WhatsApp. This is the semi-automated sheet. That means you are entering the students count here, and that updates every time you need to change it. And the link it is the description is given for the fully automated sheet. That means you are just entering the date and the exam, that's all. Once you enter the date and on which date which subject takes place, all other things get updated on the day of exam or the before the day of exam. Just entering the date, you can fetch all the details and everything, seating, all things are arranged automatically, and you can check that video from the link available in the description. That's it, and happy learning, happy seating with Shines Excel.